Well, the effort continues to help Puerto Ricans who fled when Hurricane Maria roared ashore last year. Today, there was an information fair to assist those who have resettled here in our area. Eyewitness News reporter Alicia Nieves is along the Benjamin Franklin Parkway tonight with more. Alicia?
Well, Yuki, today the State Department, the Salvation Army, and at least a dozen other local organizations came together to try and help Puerto Rico evacuees just start the process of rebuilding a life here in the greater Philadelphia area. You know, this effort comes in part because for many of those evacuees, their FEMA assistance is about to run out, and a lot of them don't want to have to be forced to go back to an island they say is still struggling. At the Salvation Army in the Fair Hills section of Philadelphia, an event today to help Puerto Rico evacuees who have relocated to our region.
Pennsylvania is the #2 state that Puerto Ricans are moving into.
That's thousands of island evacuees, many who are in the greater Philadelphia area and have no plans to return to the island, still struggling nearly 6 months after Hurricane Maria hit.
Puerto Rico to fix it, they take a couple of years, you know. I don't want to move to Puerto Rico, so I want to stay here.
Jose Medina's home in Vega Baja, Puerto Rico was gutted by the storm. He came to Philadelphia 3 months ago with his daughter. His family helped him get an apartment here, and now he came to this event to talk with recruiters about a job.
I do the construction in Puerto Rico, so I do everything because I'm handyman.
A lot of evacuees like Medina and Wilmarie Rivera are deciding to stay here because life on the island is still far from normal.
La educación, la escuela están cerradas.
Rivera saying schools there are barely functioning, and she didn't want her 4 children to suffer.
No es fácil.
But she admits coming here and rebuilding from scratch is more difficult than she thought. She's at this event to get help finding an apartment for her family. For a lot of the evacuees, like Maria Monet showed us, it's still emotional to have to need help here and to still be struggling to start life over.
It's not easy.
And more than 100 evacuees received information about medical and emotional support, in addition to job connections and information on apartment or housing assistance. This is a rotational information fair that's going throughout the state to try and help as many of these island evacuees kind of adjust to starting a new life here in this state. Live in Center City, Alicia Nieves, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.